It's auto. Tan interior, the front end smashed, the rear end is totaled. I'm like, dude, I don't even want to buy this thing, but I'll give you $40.
No.
He's like, get out of
way.
here. A couple days go by. Hey, bro, can you do 50?
Where do I find a deal for a $50 Integra?
Oh, you got to find a crackhead. This is the best way to do it.
A crackhead owning an Integra?
Oh, yeah.
That's probably stolen.
They're probably asking about my sedan. I bought it for $50.
Oh, explain that then.
Okay.
I didn't know that.
So I was going to school in Carbondale at the time. I had probably $60 in my bank account. This guy posted this Integra for sale on this Carbondale page. It was when I was in SIU. And he posted it for like $800. I was like, all right, I'll come look at it. Knowing I didn't have any money. But I knew where that car was. So I would drive past it like daily. Like,
yeah.
Oh, there's that sedan again. So we met up, looked at the car. I was like, so tell me about it. Like, why are you selling it? Because I knew it was there. It was, playing dumb. Oh, I just can't get it to start. I think the start is going out.
Yeah.
I'm like, all right, crank it over. Cranks perfectly fine. I'm looking in there. I peel back the timing cover. The belt's not spinning. I'm like, okay, the engine's blown. It's auto. Tan interior, the front end smashed, the rear end is totaled. I'm like, dude, I don't even want to buy this thing. I was like, tell you what.
You're just wailing them down now, yeah.
I was like, tell you what, I'll give you $40.
No.
He's like, get out of
fucking
here.
way.
Yeah, and then we just went our separate ways. A couple days go by. Hey, bro.
Take 50.
Can you do 50? I was like, yeah, I got you. Then I drove.
Dude, he must have been desperate.
Oh, yeah. That's what I'm saying.
That's crazy.
Drove my right-hand drive Integra there. Flat towed it back to my house. Junkyard engine, junkyard interior, junkyard trans. That was a daily.
God.
And a rear
That's
clip.
wild. So how much total is in it now, you think?
Probably under
Nothing?
$5,000. Well, JDM front kind of.
Yeah.
And 5 lug.
You seem to find deals like this often. Just obviously not $50 deals. That's pretty wild, but
that was a wild one.
Really good deals on cars. Is that you just be scouring Facebook all the time?
You got to look at how they buy them. They're junk. No one wants it.
Well, I know.
And they're sitting there for a while. That's the best too. How long they sit up for sale.
Yeah.
All right, bro. I see this listing. You want to get rid of it or not? You know what I mean? I don't say it like that, but you know they want to get rid of it. The listing's still up.
Right.
So all right, they'll take a low ball at this point.
So how long do you think where's the line of how long a listing's been up to where you're ready to just lowball the fuck out of these people?
It depends on what it's for sale, but the Gloria, that thing was totaled when I got it.
Oh yeah.
But it had low miles. The rest of the car looked mint. Went there, looked at it, got a few bucks off, All right, now I got a Gloria. And it came with the rear clip. I was like, dude, how is there a rear half cut for a Gloria here already?
That's
It was just
crazy.
meant to be.
How far was it from you?
St. Louis, so probably 4 or 5 hours. Shout
That's
out
not bad.
Mr. Cho FDM for helping me bring that back. But
Cho's the man.